later this afternoon, we'll see more showers and thunderstorms develop inland. I think most of us are going to remain dry. But as we look live right now from Naples, you can see how quiet the water is over the Naples Bay. Now, the wind is going to stay pretty light this afternoon, but there's going to be enough of a southwesterly turn later in the afternoon to push showers and thunderstorms inland towards Glades, Hendry, and inland Collier County. Right now, we have a few showers over the Florida Keys, and even those are dying out there around the 7 Mile Bridge and Isla Morada. So as we look at our coastline, we are dry. That's a little bit different than what we saw yesterday. And now we're looking at visibility that is between 2.5 to 3/4 of a mile from Immokalee all the way up towards Clewiston. Palmdale, 5.5 miles. Otherwise, it's 9s and 10s here along the coastline. You'll notice the haze in the sky for sure because we're waking up humid and warm. Really feels like summertime. We've got our temperatures anywhere from 71 in the Cape to 69 out at Page Field. That reading of 69 is a little bit above average here for this time of year. And the temperatures this morning are actually just a little bit cooler than where we were 24 hours ago. Now, as far as our wind, it's pretty light. It's out of the east, but this afternoon, that weak sea breeze front will kick in, flipping it out of the southwest. Now, yesterday afternoon, you couldn't help but notice that it felt sticky. We were right on track as far as our temperatures. 87 was the high. That is our average. And today, there's not going to be much of a breeze to help out at all as our winds stay really light. So the forecast here for this afternoon calls for a high temperature of 90. And then later on this evening, we have that scattered chance of a shower or thunderstorm, basically inland east there of I-75 for sure. Our record on this date is 95. The average is 87. So we're going to be just a little bit above average, and we'll stay close to 90 in the days ahead. Old frontal boundary sagging across the northern part of the state is helping fuel some showers and thunderstorms, especially north. Orlando got rocked yesterday. They had large hail, several tornado warnings in the northern part of the state. And as we look at our forecast here for this afternoon, you see those showers and storms develop inland. We're going to do it again on Thursday. Let me walk you through what the day looks like, because this afternoon we're going to see dry conditions at lunchtime, but by 4 or 5 o'clock, a couple of showers start to develop, and then the peak should be between 6 and 7. And notice it's Lake Placid southbound. It's inland. It's away from the Cape and Fort Myers and Port Charlotte. And then most of that wet weather should die down there by 10 o'clock and midnight, where skies will turn partly cloudy. We'll wake up dry. Matter of fact, by midnight, most of the rain is gone. And then your Thursday morning commute looks good. But in the afternoon, once again, it's Highlands, Glades, and Hendry County, as the weather pattern isn't going to change much through Friday. Your Inman Marine forecast sees foot or less. Inland waters a light chop. Water temperature in the upper 70s. So to kind of recap the day, like we've seen the last couple of scattered showers and storms inland, rain chance around 40%. Tonight, we'll go with a 20% chance of a shower early, and then we dry out, and then we look ahead towards the weekend. And we have some changes coming. A cold front is scheduled to arrive here on Sunday. It is going to be stormy and windy. Winds are going to be gusting over 30 miles per hour. Right now, all indications are most of that rain should be out of here by Monday.